Okay, this is my first attempt at any type of video log of me doing any work, but first off, as you can tell, I'm not too organized. Stuff's kind of everywhere, but what I'm in the process of trying to do is build a kind of a nightstand table thing next to the couch that can actually house the computer inside of it. I've looked online several times trying to find something like this that other people have done, and nothing has quite looked like what I've wanted to do. So the first step, obviously, with anything is kind of draw it up so you know what size you can fit where you want it, and to make sure you have enough room for all of your parts. So these are my couple sketches first, and as things go on, you know, your design will change, and you'll have to just kind of improvise from there. But I already started this, probably spent a few hours on it already, creating the main base for it, and same thing, starting to create this top for it. It's three pieces of wood joined together using the pocket screws and wood glue, and then you sand it flush. But inside it's the same thing. A lot of pocket screws and wood glue to hold everything together and tight. And the main thing is you are going to mess up doing something like this, so just be prepared to do it over and over a couple times. But that's where I'm at so far, and I will try and actually bring the camera out and record as I do it, so that if I screw up, it'll at least be caught, and if you guys try something like this, hopefully you won't screw up as well. So, but yeah, that's how it looks so far, and I will try to keep this up to date on my progress with it. Okay, thank you.